Good morning, everybody. We are here in Benton Harbor, Michigan for another home show. It is home show season, and I wanted to go ahead and kind of show you our booth and what we do, how we set up, take down, that whole shebang. So without further ado, let's go see. This 10 by 10 booth is actually our smallest during home show season, so we really had to choose what we wanted to portray and show everybody during the show. For a paver, we chose a large modern Teco block paver. And of course, we had to use a 36-inch stainless steel wolf grill. On top of steel framed structure, we used reclaimed barn wood to create a very rustic look to the body of our project. And of course, because we want the best of the best, we used a Hard Topics precast concrete for our countertops. The 7 by 10 pergola structure is made of cedar. And during setup time, that pergola was probably the bulk of our work, followed quickly by the structure and then the countertops as well. We would absolutely love to have you come see it in person at one of our upcoming shows. Check us out.